Hi, welcome to excelrush.com. You must have seen the Narcos series from Netflix. A lot of Spanish is used in that. So if you're a fan of Narcos, these words you definitely know. But you tend to forget the meaning of these words. So you can use Google Translate to get the meaning of these words. Not really to know only Narcos' words, but for anything in general, to translate you can use Google Translate. So there is a function equal to Google Translate. You take the text, comma, put the from language, in this case it is Espanol, to language in double quotes again, which is English in our case right now. And you will directly get the output translated word. Works for sentences also. Same way you can get for another language as well. So from Espanol to French. Brilliant. Like this, you can have translations of a lot of languages. I've put a link in the description below which tells you the codes for all these languages. That is, ES is for Spanish, EN is for English. Those codes are available in this link. You can go through it. Thank you.